curious what it was worth.
Can I borrow a top loader too, just
Sure.
to see what fits these
Sure,
cars?
man. Yeah, they're right here.
Watch your last two country boxes.
Oh, dude, I didn't even realize those were gone.
Yep.
I need to order some more of those. Those are not bad. Did you get a Miranda Lambert by chance?
I did not, but I
Ooh, that's
my
cool.
quad. That's an 80 goody dirt band, and then that was
There's
in one box, and that was in the other box.
Rucker's good.
Rucker's number 99.
Yeah, that's a good card. I sold him before.
Yeah.
Those quads are tough.
Those are the two big hits out of each box, but I don't have anything to put them in.
Yeah, you definitely want something that'll fit.
And that Canadian Clear Vision I bought that day.
Wow, you're on a roll, man.
That, and then this was in there too.
In the same, I don't think I've seen one of
I've
those.
never seen that. That's why I wrote it down. I was like, maybe you knew something about it, but I've never seen one before.
Oh, it's rare, I'm
Like a
sure.
plexiglass or some sort of material like that.
That's really cool, man. You do 52s too?
Well, these are my dad, so
Really?
I want to get them into something to protect them better than what they're doing currently. So that's why I brought those.
That's cool, man.
My dad's from this one, so.
Those are really cool, man. Yeah, those are cool. Let me see if he's. All right, Dakota, top or bottom, man? Oh, no problem. Dave, 11. Starts at 11. Just tell me, Dakota, if you want top or bottom, and we'll do that. Good luck, too. Let's go ahead and pull an Austin Matthews. This is Dakota's first box break with us, guys. It's already popped off. We get at least 2 autos per box. Join the Upper Deck Bounty program. Max Domi. Silver Skates. I'll butcher a lot of these names in hockey, so. Young Gun, AJ Greer. Left it out there?
Yeah, it's in the car.
All right. Tyler Seguin. It's a cool card. Is that Crosby? Yeah. Yeah, it's the last one. Last one of the day. Nothing eventful yet, guys. Shea Weber. McDavid. Vladimir Tarasenko. And Matt Murray. Hello.
Hello. How are you all?
Good, how are you?
Pretty good. Yeah, my friend comes up here all the time. I was asking him about if y'all be interested in some vintage baseball cards.
Vintage?
Yeah, well, 93.
Oh, yes. Some of the.
Some go back in there as far as 85. I think I got a Randy Johnson.
Right. Yeah, man, I appreciate you bringing them in, but we'd probably just pass. It's not anything we can use right now. But I do appreciate you bringing them in. It's just from an era that we have so many of. That's why, man.
Okay.
All right, man. I appreciate it, buddy. All right, man. Have a good day. We'll do something here in a second, guys. Let it be Austin. PK. Yossi. And Forsberg. 3 Predators.
We have good luck here.
Matthew Kachuk. I think that's how you say it. Tarasenko. Here's a future watch auto. Come on, be Austin. Oh no, it's not an auto, it's a Spectrum. Anthony D'Angelo. So it's part of Carey Price. Good luck, man. Matthew Benning. Young Gun. Those Young Guns are... So you can get other stuff in there too besides helmets. The touchdown treasures, I think so. See on the back side? Look on the back side of the box. See where it has like jerseys and stuff? So I bet there's like redemptions in there. That's just a guess. Winnipeg. Yeah. The Cowboy.
Randy White.
Randy White, Hall of Famer. Yeah, those are pretty cool. I know, man. We haven't even hit an auto yet out of the whole side. We're supposed to get 2 autos. I mean, where's the autos at? Starting to get worried. We only have 3 packs left and no auto. Eichel's cool. Yeah, something's not right, man. Did we get scammed? Did I get scammed? Yeah, this is a dummy card. This better have an auto in it. Oh, there it is. Whew. It's getting worried. I was thinking maybe I got scammed somehow. That's the first time that's ever happened where... Whew. Anthony Bouvillier. I don't know if that's right or not. Let's hope this has got an RPA in it, a sick one. No dummy. It's a dummy card, so it's not a RPA. Ooh, look, it's got 4 people on it. Yager. This is cool, man. Ekblad, Barkov. I don't know how to say these guys' names, fellas, but anything with Yager on it. Quad auto. That's pretty cool, man. Ekblad, Barkov, Lungo. Wow. Whew, they saved the best for last, that's for sure. Whew. I was worried. Okay, man. I'll get all your stuff packed up, Dakota. If it's not on PayPal, shoot me your address. I know, that's a sick card.
You want to see?
No, not yet.
All right, guys, if anybody else wants me to bust something, let me know. Welcome to Grand Slam, Dakota. Not bad for your first box.
That's actually silver.
Get a couple top loads for those. Cool.